Welcome to Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Warm greetings from SNS family. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Application. In this video, we are going to study about what is partnership, meaning, types of partners, and partnership deed. And before topic, we have discussed types of partners, general partnerships, limited by liabilities, and we have studied the different partnerships. So the partnership is the formal an agreement between two or more parties. So when it comes to an execution part, so we need to have a deed, a legal document. A partnership deed is a legal document that serves as the foundation of the partnership firm, defining the terms of the partnership's agreement among its members. So, this comprehensive document outlines various aspects of the partnerships, including the roles, responsibilities, rights, and obligations of the each partner involved in a partnership firm. So, additionally, a partnership deed may cover other critical aspects such as duration of the partnership, decision making processes, and procedures for the admitting or retiring the partners, methods for this resolving the duplicates, and the provisions for the dissolutions of the partnership. By clearly documenting these terms, the partnership deed helps to in establishing the mutual understanding and trust among the partnerships, minimizing the conflicts and ensuring the smooth operations of the partnership business. It provides the legal recognition to the partnerships and serve as the reference point for resolving any disputes like disagreements that may rise during the course of the partnership. So, the importance of the partnership deed. A partnership deed provides a clarity and transparency regarding the roles and the responsibilities of the each partner, minimizing duplicates and understandings of the businesses. It establishes the terms of the partnership, including profit sharing agreements, capital contributions, and decision making processes. The partnership deed helps in protecting the interest of all the partners and ensures the smooth functioning of the partnership business. Types of partnership deed: general partnership deed, limited partnership deed with sleeping partners. So, partnership deed registration involves submitting the partnership deed to the register of the firms in the respective state where the partnership is located. Registration provides legal recognition to the partnerships and protects the rights and interests of the partners. Documents required for the partnership deeds are copy of the partnership deed signed by all partners, application form for partnership agreement registration, proof of the address of the partnership firm, next identity proofs all the partners, payment of the registration fee such as prescribed by the registration of the firm. So, financial support for the partnership firm looking to expand their corporation or the capital required. So, these are all depends upon the partnership financial supports. So, while we take upon the information, product and services includes the available the different platforms. So, according to the terms and conditions, they would have mentioned so what kind of business we are starting with the partnership firms. So, these are all possible. So, this is all mentioned in the partnership deed. So, by this video, we can understand what is partnership and what are the types of partnership, and we were discussing about the partnership deed, the informations related to the partnership deed. Thank you.